I already see some crazy things up here. First, let's go check out the house. Whoa. They got a mic. I mean, it looks like they left stuff here. And this is some like really old stuff too, like the wallpaper, the stove. Wow. That bed came from the top floor. There's a second room here. Oh wow, okay, so you can see in there. Wow, what is that? That's like, I have no idea what that is, but that looks so incredibly old. I know there's no basement here, but I still gotta be careful. I'm not gonna go up here, obviously. Not too much in here, unfortunately. I guess they took all the stuff out, but this was abandoned very long ago, you can just tell. Anyways, right here is the basement. So it didn't go out to where I was walking, but it was over that place where that weird machine was. Just old glass jars. I'm not gonna go in here, but you can see. So we're gonna check that out later. This is so old. It's such a cool site. Wow. Here we have a collapsed barn, and this must have collapsed probably less than, or probably more than 20 years ago. This has probably been here for a very, very long time. Wow. Submerged in the ruins. Wow. Check these out. This one's probably much older, by the looks of it. Even got a snowmobile. That is the gas tank. I'm sure these would fetch for a lot of money. Another really old tractor. Let's see what's in this building. Look at that. Mountain Dew. Budweiser. Crush. I didn't know Crush was that old. RC is actually probably one of the only good coals in my opinion. With the pull tabs like this was like 1970s and 80s stuff, so that's how old you can tell this place is. Ah, dude. Monocross. That engine though, no way that's gonna be fixed. But unless there's engine parts around here, I see the seat and the exhaust. Oh my gosh, it's another snowmobile. Man, that is an old engine. That is awesome. And there's the old Yamaha. Look what we just found. Glass Coca-Cola bottle, intact. And a bunch more cans. This one looks like it got shot. Here we go. Here's where it gets good. Right off the bat, we got an old car. Wish I knew what it was called. I think it's a Chevy, right? Yep, I'm pretty sure that's a Chevy. That's like the car from Cars 2. That's like Mater. What is this? This is like a piece of construction equipment. This has got to be a 60s or 70s Chevy. Another old tractor. There's been a bunch of those here. And then Massey Ferguson GMC. And then another one back there. This one I'm guessing was probably the owner's personal car, because it seems like it's from around that time period. This looks like a 70s or 80s car. It looks complete. I mean, maybe someone was working on the engine, I don't know. Right there, an old trailer for a truck. That must have been for like livestock, I would imagine. Something like that. Found some more cars up ahead. What is that? I think that's some kind of trailer. That's an old trailer though, like really old. I'm guessing that's another Ford truck. Wooden sides, pretty cool. Oh, and there's another one hidden back here. V8, I think. I'm not a car guy, so. I think Standard and Texan were old gas companies, to my best guess.